No time to brew coffee today. Gotta get straight to business. God damn it. What is going on, guys? Good morning for me anyways. Today is another 8 a.m. fiasco, if you want to call it. Getting these two cars done. I parked the wagon here last night already, so everything's good to go. A little close. It is what it is. Actually, this is even closer. Damn. They didn't hit though. Anyways, guys, so I got almost all the rides here, which is funny. I got the E30 here, got the E34 wagon, obviously the ZHP and all the other cars over there, and these two. So I came up with a plan last night on how I'm going to do things today. Pulling the motor from this M3 was such a tight fit that now I see why people do it. I'm just going to have to take off the whole front bumper, radiator support, radiator, condenser, all that stuff, and just pull this motor straight out towards the sidewalk because it's just way too freaking tight of a fit, guys. I've done the S50 swap on the E34, I've done the S50 swap on the E30, but these cars are just such a freaking tight fit, it's unbelievable. So unfortunately, I think that's the only route to take on an engine swap on the E46 unless you're dropping the motor down from below. First order of business though, before I start pulling off that clip, I got to do the rod bearings on the S54, which is, well, just hanging out over here. Right over here, my lovely S54. Once I do the rod bearings and torque them all to spec, I will start taking off the front clip off the wagon and pulling the motors today. So that's the plan. Hopefully I can get everything done. It's really pushing it, pulling a motor, doing rod bearings, but if I'm able to get all that done, tomorrow should be a home free stretch for installing the S54 into the wagon. So let's just go for it, see what happens. Bolts removed. Let's see what this cap's looking like, the bearing. All right, guys, so we're still working on the same piston. So the top of the bearing actually was worn, as you can see. The cap side was good, but the rod bearing side was bad. So you guys can see if the camera picks it up. One is good. Starting. Oh yeah, it is starting, you're right. So yeah, I guess I'm glad I'm replacing them now, because this would be a pain in the ass in the car. So anyways, we're going to continue pushing on here. I have another 6 more to go, and then obviously I need to put the oil pump back in. So we're going to get this in, and that's it. Red is for the cap side, blue is for the connecting rod side. The blue is going to go inside the motor over there. The red we're going to go ahead and put on right here. You can just use a little pick and pry this thing out. Comes out nice and easy, as you guys can see. Go ahead and clean this up a little bit here. Go ahead and get my brand new red shell, which would be this one right here. Here's the part number. So go ahead and open this up. Nice BMW packaging. There's a little bit of red on there, as you can see, so that indicates it's a red cap. It comes off super easy, so you guys can, oh, I don't know if that came up, but I just swiped my hand and it was gone. So the paint does not last that long. Put a little bit on the back side just because the front is what counts. This is the bearing surface, as you all know. So there we go. We're gonna snap that thing into place right here. We got it. So that is the red, and now for the blue, which is gonna be over here, my blue bearings, and this is gonna go on the motor. So let me open this up and go over to the motor. Damn, look at that new jammy in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back this way to the side, and then we're gonna bring it straight down. So we're gonna go ahead and get the cap, just put the bearing on. There's the numbers. We're gonna put that this way, put the new bolts, and we're good. 30. Oh, good. So that's the third one. So I got 3 more to go, and I could get this oil pan back on and get this jammy into the wagon. So this has been a tough 2 days, guys, but let's power on. Man, oh man, making some progress over here, guys. Got everything off on this car. The whole front end is off, ready to be pulled out. We got the official BMW SIB up. shows all the repair instructions, and here. And the GoPro battery died. But if you enjoyed today's video, guys, remember to like and subscribe for more updates. Tomorrow is day 3, so we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Yeah.
Slave cylinder is hard to get to.